Did you know that one of the most popular breakfast foods among seniors could actually be making your muscles weaker every single day? According to recent studies, up to 60% of older adults regularly eat this food, not realizing it may be harming their strength and independence. Hello and welcome to Everglow Wisdom, your trusted source for senior health and wellness tips. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of seniors around the world: breakfast choices and their surprising impact on muscle strength. Whether you're in your 70s, 80s, or beyond, maintaining strong muscles is essential for staying active, preventing falls, and enjoying your golden years to the fullest. But did you know that what you eat for breakfast could be silently sabotaging your efforts? In this video, we'll uncover the hidden dangers in common breakfast foods, explain how they can weaken your muscles, and show you what to avoid to keep your body strong and healthy. So, grab your morning coffee and let's get started. Let's talk about some of the most common breakfast foods that many seniors, and even their families, believe are healthy. First up, let's look at breakfast cereals. Many brands advertise themselves as whole grain or fortified with vitamins, but if you check the label, you'll often find they're loaded with added sugars and very little protein. Next, consider white toast with jam or jelly. It's quick and easy, but white bread is made from refined flour, which is quickly digested and can cause spikes in blood sugar. The jam adds even more sugar, but almost no protein or healthy fats. Another popular choice is flavored yogurt. While yogurt can be healthy, many flavored varieties are packed with sugar and lack the protein needed to support muscle health. And let's not forget about pastries, muffins, and pancakes. These are often high in refined carbs and sugars, but low in the nutrients your muscles need. You might be surprised to learn that even fruit juices, which seem healthy, can be a problem. They're high in sugar and lack the fiber and protein that help keep your muscles strong. The problem with these foods is that they provide quick energy, but not the building blocks your muscles need to stay strong. Over time, regularly eating these types of breakfasts can lead to muscle loss, increased risk of falls, and a decline in overall health. Let's dig deeper into why these foods are so problematic for seniors' muscle health. First, let's talk about sugar. Excessive sugar intake can lead to inflammation in the body, which has been linked to muscle weakness and even increased risk of chronic diseases like diabetes. When you start your day with a sugary breakfast, your blood sugar spikes and then crashes, leaving you feeling tired and less able to stay active. Second, many of these foods are low in protein. Protein is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass, especially as we age. Without enough protein in your breakfast, your body doesn't have the materials it needs to repair and strengthen your muscles after a night of fasting. Let's look at some numbers. The average senior needs about 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. That means if you weigh 70 kilograms, about 154 pounds, you need at least 70 to 84 grams of protein daily. If your breakfast only provides 2 or 3 grams, you're starting the day at a disadvantage. Now, let's talk about refined carbohydrates. Foods like white bread, pastries, and pancakes are made from refined flour, which is stripped of most of its nutrients. These foods are digested quickly, causing rapid spikes in blood sugar. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, which is linked to muscle loss and increased risk of falls. Another hidden danger is lack of essential nutrients. Many processed breakfast foods are low in vitamins and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D, all of which are important for muscle function and bone health. Let's not forget about leg cramps, a common complaint among seniors. Diets high in sugar and low in minerals can make leg cramps worse, especially at night. Finally, let's talk about habit. Many seniors have been eating the same breakfast for decades, not realizing that their nutritional needs have changed with age. What worked in your 40s or 50s may not be enough to keep you strong and healthy in your 70s or 80s. So, what is the worst breakfast food that's weakening your muscles every day? The answer might surprise you: sugary breakfast cereals. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, seniors who regularly eat high-sugar, low-protein cereals for breakfast have significantly lower muscle mass and strength compared to those who eat protein-rich breakfasts. Why are sugary cereals so harmful? First, they're often marketed as healthy or fortified, but a single serving can contain as much as 12 grams of sugar and only 2 grams of protein. That's more sugar than a chocolate chip cookie. Second, these cereals are digested quickly, causing a rapid rise and fall in blood sugar. This not only leaves you feeling tired, but also triggers inflammation, which can damage muscle tissue over time. Third, eating sugary cereals regularly can lead to a cycle of cravings and energy crashes, making it harder to stay active and maintain a healthy weight. A shocking insight. In a survey of adults over 80, those who ate sugary cereals at least 4 times a week were twice as likely to report difficulty walking or standing up from a chair compared to those who ate eggs, oatmeal, or Greek yogurt for breakfast. So, if you're reaching for that colorful box of cereal in the morning, it might be time to reconsider. Your muscles and your independence depend on it. Let's recap what we've learned today. Many common breakfast foods, especially sugary cereals, white bread with jam, flavored yogurts, and pastries, can actually weaken your muscles over time. These foods are high in sugar and refined carbs, but low in the protein and nutrients your body needs to stay strong. By making smarter breakfast choices, like including eggs, Greek yogurt, oatmeal, or whole grain toast with nut butter, you can support your muscle health, prevent falls, and enjoy a more active, independent life. Remember, it's never too late to make a positive change for your health. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to learn about healthy breakfast alternatives for seniors, check out our next video right here. And don't forget to subscribe to Everglow Wisdom for more senior health tips and inspiration. Stay strong, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.